guys, Piscaler Bust and the Rcmax gang here. I know you read the title. I mean, a lot of you must have already heard the news. She's finally here. It's finally done after 6 months of work. The world's first Rcmax Supreme 80 dual splashed. Yeah, for the hybrid build. You all know I already got all the Rcmax parts dual splash for the hybrid. And I got the motor to match. Unbelievable. This is by far the nicest 80 I've ever seen, and I'm willing to bet it's yours too. Well, let's do this. Here she is. Rcmax Supreme 80 dual splashed. First in the entire world. Color is Cadbury Purple for the base, and I have a custom blue and the clear splash that looks kind of silverish, and it came out beyond. It's ridiculous. Look at that clutch, 110mm clutch. Are you kidding me? This thing is massive, straight up massive, dude. Oh my god. Mike Taylor. Thank you. Like, this is, you've way outdone yourself on this. Way outdone yourself. You know, I thought over here that this 55 is nasty. The Supreme 55 is also a world's first, and it came out amazing. But this. It's not even because it's an 80, it's just, it's gorgeous. These colors are gorgeous. I can't just... That's right, Supreme 80. Baddest of the bad. Sir. Oh, amazing. Here's the spur gear plate, the beefed up one that you need. It's also, anodized to match. This is Rcmax 110mm on there, engraved. Another engine brace here, so it's the same thing in there, also matched. Here, so I got the ones back there, but I also got a set of BRP, Rcmax BRP inserts. Also Cadbury Purple. Oh my goodness. That's how she's supposed to be for this one. With the green. Oh, that looks good too. Oh my goodness. I literally just got home. I got home here like maybe a half hour ago and it arrived. Bit light. This is the pipe, the Samba pipe. It's huge. It's on top of one of the Bajas. This thing's massive. This is the 55 side pipe. The 55 is a little fatter, but the 80 is just longer. Oh man, this is phenomenal. I don't know what else to say here, guys, other than I'm just astonished. This is just out of control, nasty. Look at this. Two of the world's first dual splashed Rcmax engines right here. Stop it. This 80's insane. Can't even wait to see. How do we? I'm lost for words. Like, that's it. Like, this is just the nastiest of the nasty. Like, what else can you do? I mean, obviously, there's more you could do if you really wanted to. But this is pretty up there. I'm more than happy. Wow. Alright guys, I guess I got home, opened it up, and I had to show you. I didn't want to sit here and spend, a lot of time just editing and making the video like crazy cool and everything, because there's no need. It just makes it crazy cool enough. Look at that clutch, it's so huge. Just out of control. Fonzie full start extension, 2 in the match, 55. Oh. I'm gonna sit here and stare at it all night. Alright guys, I hope you liked it. I couldn't see why you couldn't not like this. This is absolutely crazy. But yeah, leave a comment. Any questions you have, be happy to answer. How long, how much, what this and then that. If you're interested in doing anything like this, just feel free. Yes sir. Not subscribed? Probably should, because this is now going to be going in the hybrid build once I get this finished up. All my efforts going into this. Should have this done real soon. Alright guys, 5th Scalar Bus in the Rcmax game. Out ski.